The solar system, a captivating cosmic neighborhood, has intrigued humanity for centuries. At its core lies the Sun, a luminous star whose gravitational force binds the planets in a harmonious dance. This stellar structure emerged from a giant molecular cloud of dust and gas that collapsed around 4.6 billion years ago. The Sun, an enormous ball of hot plasma, illuminates our universe, serving as the anchor for all celestial bodies within its gravitational field. The innermost planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, collectively known as the terrestrial or rocky planets. Mercury, the closest to the Sun, is a land of extremes with scorching days and freezing nights. Venus, shrouded by thick clouds of sulfuric acid, is a world of intense heat and crushing pressures. Earth, our home, is vibrant and teeming with life, uniquely supporting an atmosphere that sustains living organisms. Mars, often called the Red Planet due to its iron-rich soil, invites curiosity with its icy poles and vast canyons. Beyond lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system. It acts as a boundary, separating the inner worlds from the outer giants. Jupiter, the largest of all, reigns with massive storms and an overwhelming magnetic field. Saturn follows, distinguished by its spectacular rings, composed mainly of ice particles. Uranus stands out with its unique side rotation, a result of a possible ancient collision, and is enveloped in a bluish hue due to methane in its atmosphere. Lastly, Neptune, the most distant and windiest planet, captivates with its deep blue color and gray dark spot. These planets orbit the Sun in a delicate balance, their speeds precisely counteracting the Sun's gravitational pull.